Welcome back to Smart Money Path. What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35? Imagine if you could go back in time and give your younger self some crucial advice. What would you say? For many of us, it would be about money. Financial wisdom often comes with age, but what if you could gain that wisdom now? The good news is, you can start making smarter financial decisions today, no matter your age. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to make a change, it's never too late to learn and grow. How to stop living paycheck to paycheck. This is a common struggle for many people. The stress of not knowing if you'll have enough money to cover your bills each month can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be this way. There are steps you can take to break free from this cycle and start building a more secure financial future. Imagine the relief of not having to worry about every single expense, of knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on. Here's how you can break free in 2024. It's a new year, and with it comes new opportunities. This year can be the year you take control of your finances and start living the life you've always wanted. It's not going to be easy, but with determination and the right strategies, you can do it. Think of it as a journey, one that will lead you to financial freedom and peace of mind. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like a never-ending cycle. But guess what? You have the power to change your financial situation. It starts with understanding where your money is going and making a plan to manage it better. It's about taking small, consistent steps that add up over time. Each step you take brings you closer to breaking free from the cycle and achieving financial stability. You can break free in 2024. Imagine the feeling of not having to worry about money all the time. Imagine being able to save for the future, pay off debt, and still have money left over for the things you enjoy. It's possible, and it starts with a few simple steps. These steps are not just about cutting back, but also about making smarter choices and planning for the long term. Step 1. Track your spending. This might seem tedious, but it's essential. You need to know where your money is going before you can make any changes. Start by keeping a record of every expense, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. You might be surprised at how much those little purchases add up over time. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can start to identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe you're spending more on dining out than you realized, or perhaps those small daily purchases are adding up more than you thought. By identifying these areas, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut back and where to allocate your money. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you make sure you're spending less than you earn and saving for the future. There are many tools and apps available to help you create and stick to a budget. Find one that works for you and start using it. A budget can be a powerful tool in helping you achieve your financial goals. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make it easy. These apps can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and stay on top of your budget. Step 3. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you use for unexpected expenses. It's your financial safety net. Having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind and help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Save at least $500 to start, building up to 3 months of expenses. This might seem like a lot, but you can start small. Even saving a little bit each month can add up over time. The important thing is to make saving a priority. By consistently setting aside money, you can build a cushion that will help you weather financial storms. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Make saving automatic. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you're saving money before you have a chance to spend it. It's a simple but effective way to build your savings. By making saving automatic, you can ensure that you're consistently setting aside money for your future. Finally, Step 5. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need all those subscriptions? Are there cheaper alternatives for some of your regular expenses? Cutting back on unnecessary expenses can free up money for savings and other priorities. By being mindful of your spending, you can make more intentional choices about where your money goes. Do you really need all those subscriptions? It's easy to sign up for multiple services and forget about them. Take some time to review your subscriptions and cancel any that you're not using regularly. This can save you a significant amount of money each month. By cutting back on subscriptions, you can free up money for other important expenses or savings. Breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck isn't easy, but it's totally possible. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to make some changes. But the rewards are worth it. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial cushion and are on track to meet your goals. By staying committed to your financial plan, you can achieve the stability and freedom you desire. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial stress melt away. You've got this. Remember, it's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about making small, manageable changes that you can stick with over the long term. Every little bit helps, and over time, those small changes can add up to big results. By staying consistent and focused, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy a more secure future. Ready to take control in 2024? Let's make it happen. Subscribe to Smart Money Path for more tips. We're here to help you every step of the way. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Let's make 2024 your best financial year yet. Together, we can make your financial dreams a reality.